Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the solution to the problem. The locks the hardware was correctly ordered. The problem is going from Hagar to Best. Hagar being an import. The cam needs to be, which is called the crown cam. Like that. But that's Chinese. The American version of the crown is much fatter. It was actually this much. But thanks to nifty tools, we are able to mimic the cam, which once installed, it functions correctly and releases the lever. Thank you for subscribing to the Joe Brena Locksmith channel.